Welcome to Abundant Agents. In this episode, I was quite reluctant to share this with you because I just absolutely love it so much and I wanted to keep it all to myself. But because I want to uplift all of us real estate agents, I know that we are struggling. At least I'm struggling right now, and anything to help us improve our business is something that I'm willing to do. But honestly, if you are a Charleston, Myrtle Beach, or Beaufort real estate agent, click off. Don't watch this. This is not for you. Otherwise, everyone else is welcome. All right, so let's go ahead and share my screen with you. You're going to absolutely love this new AI tool, and this is called Suno. You're going to go to suno.com, and it's an AI tool that generates music. And you're like, well, Diana, how am I supposed to use this for real estate? I'm going to tell you right now. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Diana, a real estate agent in South Carolina, and I help people move to the Charleston surrounding cities, Myrtle Beach and Beaufort coastal city areas. So if you have anyone moving here, call me. I'd love to give you a referral fee. All right, so let's go ahead and look at this AI tool. All the links that you need will be provided down below, including this document that has the song layout if you wanted to change the theme, and also has 20 additional ways to use Suno AI. So I will provide this for you for free, and it will be in the link below. All right, so let's go ahead. Once you go to this website, which is suno.com, and it's an AI tool, you are going to sign in with your Google account, and you have 50 credits for free. It's not going to cost you anything. If you use my link, I get a little perk, you get a little perk. It doesn't cost you anything extra whatsoever. I did actually end up buying their monthly plan because I didn't want my songs to be public. I wanted them to be private. All right, but we're going to play around with this. So we are actually going to create a song. Let me move this out of the way. We're going to create a song. And here is the lyrics. Okay, we're just gonna, okay, I accept. Okay, this is not the account that I usually use. I just opened one up to show you how easy it is to use as a first-time user. Okay, that's not it. Sorry, I apologize. All right, so let me go back here and grab this song. These are the musical elements, the musical references, the usage, the context. All right, so here is the song itself. And the first one is Welcome to Your Dream Home. You could give this to your clients and actually make it even more tailored to them to include their first name or last name. So right here, you're limited to 1,200 characters. I think I have only a little over 1,000. So it's all good here. So I have the outro, the final chorus, the bridge. We have the chorus, the pre-chorus, the chorus, pre-chorus, verse 1. And I'm going to eliminate this. They don't need to know that it's 2 minutes. But I wanted it under 2 minutes because when I was using this before, I did have a time limit where it has to be maximum of 2 minutes. I don't know if they recently changed it. However, I'm just going to put that there. And it says the style of music. What kind of style of music do you like? Europop, dark R&B, instrumental, bluegrass. If you know what your clients like specific style, go ahead and choose whatever they like. Progressive. I think that I have under this document chosen one that's sort of like a general one. And let's see here, special instructions, keep percussion, okay, usage style, key references. All right, so let's see here, production notes, okay, musical elements. All right, so I'm just gonna copy this whole style and mood here, and I don't know if all of this will fit on here. Let's check it out. We can always shorten it if we need to. So I'm just gonna put that. All right. Okay, The title of our song is Welcome Home Dreams. And I'm going to delete that here. All right, so let's go ahead and create it. And this is live, so it's really fast. I mean, within seconds, it starts producing the music. I'm usually very satisfied with the production results. And if you're not, all you have to do is recreate it. So let's go ahead and play this one.
Sunlight streaming through these walls. Every window tells a story. Open doors in spacious halls. This moment feels like morning glory. Can you see it now? Everything you dreamed about. Welcome to your dream home, where new memories will grow. Every room is calling, saying this is where we belong, this is home. Kitchen filled with morning light, garden views from every window. Perfect space to spend your nights, building dreams for all tomorrows. You can feel it here, everything you've hoped for's near. Welcome to your dream home, where new memories.
All right, so you get the general idea. And let's go ahead and play it toward the end. Sometimes I've had trouble with it. Like, let's see, can I forward it? We're gonna forward it just towards the end where they just abruptly cut off the ending without giving it a proper musical note ending. So let's just hear the ending part right here.
Tells you this is where you belong, this is home. This is home. Channel fade with soft welcome home echo.
Okay, this is the second version. Just so you know, every time you hit generate, it produces two versions of each song, slightly different from each other, but using the exact same lyrics that you inserted. And also, you can see the lyrics here. If you wanted to remix it, you can remix it, where it says you can create an extended version if you want to make it longer. You can reuse the prompt. Also, you can have a public link. I'm going to actually share this with you, so it's already done for you. I'm going to share both of these songs. I give you permission to use it with your clients and give them this welcome home song for them. But I do highly suggest that when you insert this song over here, that you are putting their names, because it makes it more special when you tailor it directly to them. So for example, you can feel it here, whatever their name is, their last name, and everything you've hoped for is near. So you can say, everything Dave and Sally hope for is near, or something like that. So be creative. You don't have to insert their name on every line. Please don't do that. But I mean, I think at least twice out of the whole song, especially in the beginning, I think that they would really think it's pretty gnarly and pretty cool. If you don't like this style, by all means, like I said, change the genre here where it says modern pop indie with acoustic elements. And then you can also edit it all the way to this right side over here where you can edit it, you can remix it and do what you want. All right, so let's go ahead and listen just a little bit on the second version. And you can see the time limit here. I said that I wanted this under 2 minutes, so the max is 2 minutes here, so it's perfect.
Sunlight streaming through these walls. Every window tells a story. Open doors in spacious halls. This moment feels like morning glory. Can you see it now? Everything you've dreamed about. Welcome to your dream home, where new memories will grow. Every room is calling,
you hear that? I gave instructions here. Soft instrumental break with gentle vocals. And they're singing it. So don't put, you really just got to take out the instructions where you insert just this lyrics part over here. I'm going to regenerate this, but just so you know, making these two songs cost 10 credits and there's only 40 left on the free version. So be very careful as you're using these if you don't want to pay it. And also, let me go ahead and click on the credit here. So basic, it's credits renewed daily. So you can come back tomorrow and do 5 more songs or however more that you need. Non-commercial terms, you cannot sell these, and no credit top-ups, share generation queue, and 2 running jobs at once. More of these played sorry, it's like 10:18 p.m. here. I had a really long day. But for the paid version, you could definitely get so much more. And I actually did in my other account pay for it, like I mentioned earlier. Okay, so let's go ahead. How do we get back? We're going to go into our library, and it's going to list the music that we have created. And just to give you some more ideas, after you can either share it, you can either download it, you could copy the song link, you could download it, link to the public, etc. And if you have issues, you can report it. They're really good about that. I've had issues before, and they credited me points when I reported the issues. So they might take a little bit longer. They don't actually respond right away. I think it's many days when they actually responded to me. However, they did credit me, and I was grateful for being able to create new songs and not cost me additional. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at, there's other ideas of using the song that I included in this document. Click the link below to download it, and please use my link. Don't just go to suno.com. I am providing this tool for you, so please just use my link so that I could benefit and you can benefit together. Okay, be a friend. All right, about different ways that we can use it, like city vibes. You're gonna insert your city here. So if you're in Phoenix, Arizona, you're going to you can use a custom prompt. And like how I did, I prompted this first. I did a prompt, and then I said based off of this prompt, and you can actually copy this prompt and then just make it tailored to your liking, and then say based on this prompt, go ahead and write my song and make sure that it's at a maximum of 2 minutes or 1 minute, whatever you prefer. And I'm going to share this link of the songs that I'm going to regenerate and produce. However, please don't sell it. Don't put it on your YouTube channel, but you can send it to your clients. That's fine. I just prefer not to be on social media or anything since I am sharing this, and I don't want somebody to claim it as their own and try making money off of it or whatever, because honestly, we don't have the commercial rights usage on this anyways, because we didn't have the paid version. If you have the paid version, you do have commercial rights to sell it. So many ideas of how to use this tool. Are you excited about it? Because I know I am, and tailoring it to my clients will make them feel so happy. And especially different ways of using this, like I shared, like closing day celebration. I think it's just going to be such a special way to create something for them that's free. And they're going to think that you're the best realtor ever, and it's only because you have the best YouTuber friend, me, Diana. I'm going to drink some water here. And if you like more tips like this, every week I'm going to share with you a new tool that I absolutely love or am using, and I think that will benefit your real estate career. So make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future video. All right, friend, thank you so much for watching until the end. Don't forget to hit that like button to subscribe. look at the document down below to get your goodies, and I will see you next week. And then meanwhile, check out this video next.